What is up, gang? It's your bro Francis, back again with another reaction video. So a couple of you guys have been asking me on YouTube comments and Instagram that I should check this song out. It was released like more than a week ago and I really did not notice it, but finally I'm here. We are gonna check this out. So the name of the song is Thang Sharak. Please let me know the meaning of this one. And the artist in here is Nicky Marwein, and the feature is none other than the kids Tarari choir, the angelic cute little singers in that choir. You know, the song that I reacted to last was like superb legit. It was like off the top, man. Like that was too professional for kids of that age, you know. Like huge respect and salute to them. So without wasting any time, without further ado, you know, let's just dive in and enjoy the ride. And also I really wanna, you know, thank all of you for all the love and support. Kublai Shibun from deep within my heart. And yeah, subscribe to the channel if you are new. So let's just dive in and enjoy the ride and check out what our little cute choir has for us on the table, the angelic choir, and of course Nicky Marwein. Let's get it. Nicky Marwein is the producer, I guess, if I'm not wrong. Thang Sharak. Oh, so soothing. Wow. So professional. So young, very young, little, but the talent is too big.
Ngapersyang bantbe ia ka Sharak pansay baki waken I ngadon lawi pernai tbe bad yai tbe kai be gading kalim wal jur kawe.
Oh.
Thang ka Sharak Eshaki waini lahamit batu yakan iman hangin Impetition berkai kapenai Cingmen kapsyong Sanglang irong
Cute babies. Oh, you're such a small girl. Oh. Oh, Pakka ek number. By the way, I really want to know the meaning. I feel like this song is talking about sharing the light, as in sharing the peace, joy, happiness, to be one. There shouldn't be any fighting. I mean, that's what I'm assuming. I'm really not sure, but man, the music is really awesome. Nicky Marwein. And of course the voice of these little angels, like for real, that angelic voice, you know, what is that called? Like, I feel like heaven on earth, you know. These are little angels that have come down from heaven to earth. Man, I'm loving this one for real, no exaggeration. All right. Oh, cute.
Oh. Sharak Beshaki Weini Lahamit Fadu Yakangin Ban Hangmi
Wow. Oh, this girl. Beautiful. Oh, wonderful, wonderful. Wow, legit, legit.
Bagaikan kelarong.
Bagaikan kelarong. My goodness, like this was mind-blowing. Like I didn't want to pause the video and stuff. Like I just wanted to listen the whole thing at one go. Like how is that even possible? These little kids, my goodness. Like too talented. And also whoever has given this training, you know, like the choir master or whoever is behind the scene, like really appreciate you guys. That's a lot of effort, you know, and too professional. Like I'm saying it too much, I guess, but for real this is too professional, and I really love it. I don't know, like when I was listening to this song, it really gave me the joyous vibe, you know. I felt the joy and of course a peace. And also a huge shout out to Nicky Marwein for putting out an amazing music. And also the video that was shot was like wonderful, man. The shots taken and like these many kids were there, and they were so, you know, disciplined, cooperative, and very well they have, you know, arranged and shot this video. Like I don't know, man, a huge shout out and respect to all those involved in making this masterpiece, you know. I really enjoyed it from deep within my heart. I don't want to exaggerate. Whatever I'm saying is I'm speaking my heart out. Like this is for real, a real legit gem, you know. May God bless all these children out there, their future and their family, and of course their health too, and their talent. May they continue to, you know, work hard and, you know, prosper in whatever they do. I give all my best, my blessings and my prayer to all the children, and of course to all the team involved in making this music video. It was really awesome, and a special thank you to each and every one of you who have come to watch this reaction. Kublai Shibun, take care, bye bye.